Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm in the computer room. I just wanted to record this and tell you that due to an anonymous benefactor, I have the funds to be able to record this video. Thank you.
And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. As you can see by my hand, we're in the computer room. And I'm going to show you something small, or a couple of things that are small. These just arrived. First of all, my Sherline products, part number 1230. Zero Morse taper, 3/4 16 thread. I can put my Sherline chuck on the tailstock now. Might seem small to you, but it'll solve a lot of problems. Next up, we have part number 1206. Adjustable tailstock die holder. It'll hold a 1-inch, and it's got a that is most interesting. Anyway, 1206 Sherline tailstock die holder. Says it'll hold a 1-inch die. And it comes with an Allen wrench. Okay, next up, we have part number 1090, Sherline follower rest. Anyone who watched my last shop video, you'll know why I want this. I've been wanting one for a while. I finally had the failure to justify it. And as usual, this part and this part both came with instruction sheets. The tailstock 3/4 16 adapter. I mean, that's self-explanatory. Screw the chuck on there, slam this into the tailstock. You're in business. Okay. Let's do this the smart way. Yeah, almost. Hey, so as you see, I've been spending my relief money wisely. No beer and pot, porno. I forgot the porno. No, I've been buying stuff for my machine. I wiped out the 600. I wiped out the 600. Well, actually the 1200. Yeah. I wiped out the 1200 in the last unboxing. And the one after that, where I showed you the radius cutting attachment, my rotating vice base, and what else did I order? Let me take a look here. Yes, now I remember. Last order, rotating vice base, and a radius turning attachment, and the little adapter that screws into your rotary table so you can put sherline drill chuck. 3/8 24 thread on your rotary table and use it to hold small parts. Been wanting one of these for a while so I could do my version of what the facetors have to transfer their stones from one dop stick to another. They have a transfer jig. Well, sort of transfer jig with this. This baby, you're going to get a ball bearing in a custom-made center. You're either going to be 3/8 24 and hold the sherline drill chuck, so I have a 3-jaw chuck at the tailstock on my lathe. I just been gelling in my mind that I saw Curtis at Cutting Edge Engineering. And I said, yeah, that's the way to go. None of these brass-jawed Jacobs style chucks that are supposed to hold a generator or, an armature for a motor or a generator. You don't have centers, so you got to hold the bearing races with the bronze. No. 3-jaw chuck, let it spin. That's the way to go. And the follower rest. The follower rest. That last video out in the shop, you saw me struggling to hold that long shaft that there's no way. I had to really get meatball with my procedures. And I didn't like that much. So since I had the money, I ordered some parts. Yeah. The rotating chuck to hold stuff in the tailstock is coming up. And as a project. And I'll see if I can find a good reason to shoot using the follower rest video. I mean, after all, sherline, small thin parts. Should be able to, right? Anyway, good night from California. Stay safe.